VPOR currently traded at 0018, requested over here quite a few times. And shout out to you over on YouTube for all the comments and detailed information that you leave us. We do see it and we do read it. So, Jonathan, appreciate that very much for all that you do. And we are, again, we've seen you mention this and requested. So, again, we're going to take a look at it. Jumping right into this one, 0018, I said over on the 15th, which would have been the last time. 0029, which is going to be that purple line that I put up here, is a must hold. Support at 0029, 0026, and 18 is where I put that at. For the support levels, resistance at 0036 and 0042 and 0046, selling needs to stop. I've said that here, buying needs to pick up, selling needs to stop. I've said that multiple times up here in the previous videos. I know that you can probably, you definitely know that because obviously I've talked about it numerous times. With that being said here, I'm seeing a few things as far as resistance levels, but really what it comes down to is the selling needs to stop. Every time the volume picks up, it doesn't move. I mean, look at right here. Boom, 5-6 days, just completely annihilating it. Unfortunately, if we look back in here on 127 at 0012 is going to be over on here. This is when we first started watching this one, way over here, guys. That is way down there. Look at big moves off of that, about 2 weeks later off of that. But again, a lot of selling here. That's basically what it's coming down to. I mean, there's no other way to butter it up other than the Bollinger Bands is starting to get tighter and tighter together. That means a move could be coming here, but that could be either up or down. Keep that in mind as well. 0017 is going to be the bottom here. If that one breaks, I really don't foresee it returning back to these levels that it was at. Honestly, that is exactly what I feel here. Looking at this one, 0014 is going to be a major support. And that is more than likely where this one would probably rest for quite some time if that 27 breaks. Or I'm sorry, 0017 breaks. That's what it comes down to here, guys. That really, that selling needs to stop. Look for a bounce off to 0017. You guys are going to have a lot of hard time here now getting back up much higher because of the way that these moving averages have set up. But it's been an bearish move here as far as the chart goes since March 10th. We can see that up here with the parabolic star flipped over, especially once you broke that 10-day simple moving average and has been just essentially dropping and going sideways now at that bottom support at 0017. So again, look for the selling to slow down. If that 0017 breaks, the chances of you guys regaining and going back up much higher is going to obviously be dwindling away, fortunately.
All right, so let's see. There's a few things for me. Since the last time we went over it, I'm looking at they had the annual report, and then there's an attorney letter with respect to current information over there with the from April 6th. So they're currently they're current now. So I pulled up the annual report, and then they also had a press release on March 30th. So I'll start with that. So New Gen Concepts Incorporated, formerly Vapor Group Incorporated, announces newly enhanced Easy Grinder to be delivered on all orders. New Gen Concepts Incorporated, formerly Vapor Group Incorporated, announced on March 30th that all customers who had ordered Easy Grinder will receive an enhanced version at no additional cost. In response to the feedback from initial consumer testing, the enhanced version has an upgraded, much more powerful motor and battery, and a reconfigured sharper grinding mechanism. Since the enhancements are being retrofitted into production, beginning delivery scheduled for this month will be delayed 30 days or more, but no later than the end of May. Any customer that is unwilling to wait for the delivery or the enhanced version will be issued an immediate refund from the company. So as previously reported, the first two production runs of over 40,000 units of Easy Grinder have already sold out. And in order to accelerate future production and delivery, the company is in the process of opening its own manufacturing facility in China. So that's that. So, I mean, obviously there's more in regards to that press release right there. So if you're interested in it, just go right up to their latest press release on March 30th over on that VPOR board. All right, so with the annual report, I mean, there's 21 pages. So I'm going to go right over to the going concern. So let's see. So as of, let's see, as reflected in the company's consolidated financial statement, the company had a net loss of $2,464,010 as of December 31st, 2016. In addition, the company had a working capital deficit of $2,634,406 at December 31st, 2016. So that's that. With the revenues and everything else, I mean, seen a decline. Let's see. So net loss. So the net loss in 2015 was $3,238,423. And then, that's in 2015. 2016, it was only, it got better, obviously, with $2,464,010. And then net cash used in operating activities, that's increased, a lot too. Let's see. In 2015, it was $3,493,888, as opposed to 2016 is a negative $463,439 cash at the end of the year. So in 2015, they were at $249,977, and then right now they have $20,310. I mean, that doesn't really matter. So, anyways, let's see, net revenues. 2015, they showed net revenues of $6,714,314. That's for the December 31st, 2015, as opposed to the December 2016 was $607,753. So $607,753. That's net revenues, and then cost of revenues has obviously gone down because of the change. I'm not really sure. These guys must have transitioned into something. Something's transitioned within this company because they made less last year. Obviously, have new things coming out and everything else. So it's something you probably really need to do your due diligence on. All right. So with that being said, obviously you want to learn more about the company, so you go right over to that VPOR board, go right into the financials, and you go pull them up. I'd go pull up this one right here that was published on April 5th. There's a lot of information in there for you to, go through and, get in your brain. So if you have an opinion on the company as well, just go right over to that VPOR board and share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors who we have using the site daily.
All right, with the chart 0019, selling needs to stop for this to make any moves. I mean, there's no other way to say it. Can't sit here and butter it up. Like I said, I'm just telling you guys the truth on how I personally see the chart. Resistance at 0022, 0026, and 0033. Support at 0017 and 0014. We will continue to watch this one. It's very possible that it could be setting up for a bounce here and headed up. But again, we'll continue to watch this one moving forward. VPOR, if you follow this one, I definitely encourage you to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already to stay updated with this hot stock and all the other ones that we cover. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, you can let us know over at investorshangout.com/live. And don't forget to get out there and share this video with all other investors in different social networks, forums, and stock message boards. We'd appreciate it. The more you share it, the more we cover it. And that will be for VPOR.